Okay, I'm back just to really briefly, and I just kind of tacked this on to the end of what we just did. For a two-tailed test, I'm using the example with the Wall Street Journal in the 56 seconds again. So if we talk about the p-value for the two-tailed test, we know that from what we just calculated is that the p-value for, or the, what we call it, the critical score for this particular problem for the 47.3 seconds, right? So we know our p-value is equal to the probability of x being less than, because we can only calculate on the left-hand side, less than the negative 2.11, right? But we're going to say that that's times 2 because we have the same thing on this side. It's symmetrical. So we have 2 areas, and that is going to be equal to 2 times. And the probability, we know, if we look up the negative 2.11, that is going to give us 0.0174. And I'm just looking up this z-score in the table in the back of your book, and that is going to be equal to 0.0348. And we know that our alpha was equal to 0.05, right? And in this particular case, 0.0348 is less than 0.05. So in this particular situation, we know that we are going to do what? We are going to reject H naught because the p-value is less than alpha. All right. And this is also, you can revert back to your book, and I think it was exhibit 9.4 in your book for this. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate to let me know. I'm hoping that these videos are helping to clarify some things in terms of your reading material.